Yeah, I guess, I mean, from what we see is often the global banking market feels like it's often de-globalized, in recent years, major banks exiting from non-core markets around the world, etc. So part of what's kind of so exciting for us about open banking is, new opportunities for kind of global collaboration, global business building, technology enabling that, lowering barriers to entry. And kind of, a bit like the internet, where groups like Internet Engineering Task Force has, really managed to kind of build a hugely successful and consistent global internet. There's some real lessons in there about the power of consistency for those operating in the open banking market. I think when it comes to building and running a business, obviously it's often a bit of science and a bit of an art from what we see from our clients around operating across borders. So obviously there's a core kind of foundational component of that around what are the quality standards, what's the way we communicate with our customers, what kind of values do we want to embrace as an organization. But then the more you start to globalize, real disciplines come into play around defining operating processes, so you can start to uniformly adopt that across markets. You start to move from a technology team that's geared up around serving the home market to needing to serve a disparate set of global markets, and needing to kind of build the real muscle within the technology organization to do that, and the muscle within local market teams to know what to ask for, on the technology roadmap to support those local needs. So of course you need to localize where necessary, but try and keep that global efficiency, as David mentioned, to drive efficiency. I think one of the most powerful things we see is just working with partners who can really support that roadmap, and hopefully finding partners who share a view of the kind of global roadmap and rollout that can be a super powerful enabler to opening up new markets in a consistent way.